How to activate vanilla gift cards online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate vanilla gift cards online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to vanillagift.com. Once you're on this page, you first of all want to sign into your account. For that, tap on these three lines, then tap on the sign in option. Now, for the registered customer, you want to enter your email. Then you want to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you want to tap on the Forgot Your Password link in order to reset your password. Now tap on the Sign In option. If your credentials are correct, you will be signed into your account. If you are new to this, then you will have to create an account by tapping on the Create an Account option. Now, once you have been signed into your account and you want to activate your vanilla gift card, then once you purchase your vanilla gift card, it is going to be automatically activated right away. Now, once it has been activated, if you want to check your balance, then all you have to do is tap on these three lines again, then tap on the check balance option. Now you want to enter your card number, then enter the expiration date. Now enter your CVV number and tap on the continue option. With that, you can easily check your balance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.